Welcome to Comply Relax. In this video, we will guide you through the complete process of issuing debentures and managing all related activities in Comply Relax. In the dashboard, open the company for which you want to manage debentures. For that, go to the Masters tab. Then click on Company Masters. Here, search for your company and click on Open. Here, go to the Masters tab. Then go below and click on Debenture tab. Here, you will see the complete debenture management facility. Please complete all entries in the same sequence as shown in the software. This ensures smooth data flow across all modules. So first click on Add Class of Debentures, then click on Add Class. Here, enter the debenture type and the nominal value. After completing this tab, click on Submit button. Once done, move to the next tab. Now, open the debenture holder. Here, you can add the debenture holder using the Add Debenture Holder button. Here, you can see the list of existing debenture holders added in the main master. If the debenture holder name is not available, you will have to add the debenture holder's name in the debenture holder master. So, for that, click on Add Debenture Holder in Masters. After saving this, return to this tab. Now, select the holder's name from your drop-down. You may also notice the debenture type such as non-convertible debenture appearing automatically based on the class created in the previous step. This is why following the sequence is important. Now move to the Issue Debenture tab. Click on Issue Debenture. Here, in the Type of Debenture field, you will see the debenture class created earlier. You can add the additional details for the allotment and proceed. Please note, the allotment's name will appear only if the debenture holder has already been added in the previous tab. Once all details are entered, click Submit button and fill other tabs like Category, PAS4, etc. Your related documents such as PAS4 will also be prepared automatically. You can download these documents using the Download button. Now to add debenture certificate, click on Date of Issuance. Here you will see the list of all allottees for that issue. So here you can click on Add Details below Debenture Certificate. Here some of the fields will be auto-filled from previous entries. Fill the remaining details as per your requirement. If you enter 2 in number of certificates for a total of 1000 debentures, you will need to specify the denomination for each certificate. You can see the system will automatically calculate the distinctive number. Once completed, you can click on Submit button. Your debenture certificates will now be generated. If you want to add any suffix and prefix, you can use this tab, Add Prefix or Suffix to Certificate. Next, let's look at the debenture register. Here, all entries made in previous tab will automatically be reflected in the debenture register. Generated certificates will also appear here. You can download the register in Word format, Excel format, and PDF format. Now let's see debenture transfer. Click on Debenture Transfer here and click on Add Transfer. If you want to transfer debentures to another person and their transferee name is not available, first add them in the debenture holding strip. You may directly add this using Click Here button, then return here and click on Add Transfer. So here I have filled the details regarding the transfer. Here you will see the list of available certificates. If you want to transfer or allot debentures in a denomination different from the available certificate, you may first need to split the existing certificate into the required denomination. Suppose you want to transfer 200 debentures to another holder. Now, if there is no certificate available for 200 denomination, then first you need to split the certificate. For that, go to the Split Debenture Certificate and click on Add Split. You can add your details here. Once the split is completed, the split certificate will automatically be available for transfer and will also be updated in the debenture register. Now open the debenture holding report. Here you can view all the debenture related activities performed in the system. You can also download this report whenever it is required. If there is an option given Convert Debenture to Shares, if applicable, you can complete the conversion process directly from here. This is how you can manage your complete debenture process in Comply Relax. Thanks for watching.